Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create an account on GitHub. So to do that, first thing is you open a Google browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in github.com and press enter. This will open the official web page. GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. Create an account, you need to click on sign up on the top right corner. Click on that. Sign up. First thing is you provide your email address and then click on continue. Then after you need to provide the password. Type in the password. Then click on continue. After that you need to provide a username for your account. Click on continue. As this username is already used and is not available for you, you need to provide a different one. Now tap on continue. This one is available. Would you like to receive product update and announcement via email? If you want it, you type on Y. If it's no, you tap on N. So I'm going to tap on N and then tap on continue. You need to check your email, username and password, and then at the very end you need to verify your account. Click on Start Puzzle. You need to go through some verification over here. Now click on Create Account. They have sent a verification code on your mail. You need to go and check out your Gmail. Click open Gmail in new tab and there's the GitHub mail. Click open that and there's the code. You just copy this code from here and paste it on this text box over here. How many team members will you be working with? Choose the team members if you have. Then, are you a student or teacher? I'm going to go with the student. Then click on continue. What specific features are you interested in using? Here are the few features that is available for you to use in GitHub. If you want it, you just click on this checkbox. So GitHub is available for free and a GitHub Pro. Here in GitHub Pro, you will have additional benefit. You can apply for it over here. I'm going to go with the free option. Click on continue for free. And with that, you have created yourself a GitHub account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.